and in today's vlog, I am going to share my experience in coding and brief you about a few courses that got me hooked on to this skill. So, why should you watch my vlog? I have learned by trial and error, and I would love for others to save their time. Number two, I have explained in brief every term, making it easier for people who have never taken a coding course before to understand. And number three, I have also guided you where next to go after this course. Let me begin by saying that I love to code, period. I started my coding journey with Scratch programming language in the year 2020 when I was 11 years old. And the entire credit for introducing me to coding goes to my dad. While I started at the age of 11, there is no particular age to learn anything new, and I think that includes coding. Presently, kids of age 8 to 9 are also learning coding and they're also enjoying it. So I began my coding journey with Scratch programming language. On the Scratch website, I programmed small stories where the character is narrating it. And then I moved on to making games like a car game where you have to control a car on a circular track. But I soon got bored of it. After this, my dad enrolled me into a Python course on Udemy. It's a paid course. Make sure to go and check it out if it interests you. The professor's name was Bryson, and I learned how to code basic programs in Python, but the course was mainly focused on turtle graphics. Turtle graphics, for those who don't know, is basically when you tell a turtle, which is a triangle, to move as per the instructions given in the code and draw different images on a Cartesian plane. Here, I would like to thank Professor Bryson for developing my interest in the Python language. Seeing my interest in coding, my dad enrolled me into yet another course on coding. This time, a computer science course from the Harvard University called the CS50's Introduction to Computer Science. So in today's vlog, we will focus mainly on this course. I'll share with you all that the course covers, how it can help you, and why should you take this course above all others. Who is this course for? So this is an entry-level self-paced course for students who don't have any coding experience. Anyone can enroll in this course and start learning at their own. What does the course cover? This course teaches you basics of computer science. It starts from the very basics, like how the computer stores and interprets instructions and data. Further, it also teaches how to solve problems efficiently using simple algorithms, various kinds of loops, conditions, and functions. Which languages does it teach? The languages taught in this course include C, Scratch, Python, and SQL. What is the structure of the program? The CS50 program is divided into 9 lectures of 2 hours each, except the first one, which is a 1 hour. The professor is David J. Milan. He is one of the best teachers I have come across. He explains each concept practically by taking real-life examples and adds a good dose of humor in his lecture. Can you choose your own track? Yes, you can choose from different tracks within the course, including iOS, web programming, app development, and games. Personally, I took up web programming out of the options, which taught me about Python Flask framework, HTTP, and how to design simple customized web pages using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the 3 components of a web page. For those who are new to these terms, let us understand them in detail. These are all different components of a web page. First, HTML is the code which builds the basic website, and all the content mentioned on it is through HTML. Once the code is written and the website is built, CSS is used to style the web page. Things like adding tables, colors, or changing fonts can be done through CSS. This is where creativity comes in. Third, JavaScript is another programming language used to interact with the user on the web page. So interactive tasks like asking them to select an option can be done using JavaScript. Further, each lecture has a problem set associated with it, which you have to solve and submit to Harvard. On completion of the tracks, you submit a final project where you can make an app or a website of your own using knowledge you've gained so far. On successful completion, you are awarded with, wait for it, a certificate from Harvard. Now, coming to why you should choose this course above all. Number one, as I already mentioned earlier, it starts right from the basics, making it super easy for students to understand who have never taken a computer science course before. Number two, because unlike many other courses, it's absolutely free and available both online and also live at Harvard. Well, that is, if you can afford to go. Also, the online version is valid for a whole year and you can do it at your convenience. Number three, and the most important reason, you are taught by excellent professors like David J. Milan at the Harvard University. Overall, it's an amazing course, so go for it. Coming to the last part of the vlog. Where do you go from here? Here are some courses you can explore after completing CS50. 1. CS50 is web programming with Python and JavaScript. This course picks up where CS50 drops. And number 2, CS50 is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python. These are all introductory and free courses available on the internet. That's all for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. So go ahead and give a try to this course, and I hope you'll enjoy doing it as much as I did. Look out for my upcoming vlog also, where I'll brief you about each of the 9 lectures. Thank you and bye for now.
Yay!